The real difference, what excellent charter makes out, is the crew.
It's very important for us to meet the crew.
From the chef to the stewardess.
Us as brokers, when we choose yachts, it's not just about finding a yacht that has the toys that they want and the itinerary, but for me it's most important the captain and the crew, you know, the team, how everyone works together, the chemistry, because ultimately when the guests come on board, you're one big family for a week, 2, 3, and if everyone gets along, it just makes the experience so much better.
It helps me also speak much better about the crew than just reading their bios on a piece of paper. I prefer to speak to them face to face, and you get a personal feeling for the crew on board. We ask them what type of families they like. Do they interact well with children? Do they prefer an older client? And that's really useful for a lot of our clients.
The most important is the crew-client match. Some crews are just more friendly, and some crews prefer to stand back a little bit and give you the space.
When you meet a client, they're putting their trust in your hands to look after them, to choose the right boat for them, to make sure that they're going to fit, that it's going to have the right crew to match with them, that everything's going to be well looked after. And you need a crew who are flexible, but also know how to say, trust me,
Exactly.
this is the right plan for the itinerary. So when you trust the crew with your guests and they look after them, it feels amazing, and hopefully they'll book again.
If you have the wrong match and you are someone who wants the crew to become your family, at the end you look at nationality and you look at the short CV, but they say very little about the people. I've seen American crews that were very standoffish and French crews that were extremely friendly. So at the end of the day, we see people in a set of settings. We see them on the boat. Many of them we've known for years. They move between the boats, and we can tell who's going to resonate with you. The same way, you can tell if the two people you want to introduce are going to work out.
So as soon as you get the idea in your head that you would like to go on a trip anywhere in the world, we are everywhere spread out, and we have access to all the yachts. Then you just let us know, inquire with us in DMA Yachting, and we will be sure to assist you where we can.